Well, good morning. Sunday the 8th of October and we are at Thoresby Hall Classic Car Show. I'm amazed we're here for two reasons. One, it's the UK and it's not snowing or raining in October. And secondly, we had a failure to proceed this morning from Eddie. Thankfully I managed to fix it in time, but means we are here a bit later than I'd hoped. Stuck starter relay. Anyway, it's all sorted. We're here, so we'll have a look around, see what we can see. Well, this is a massive show, so we're not going to be, or we're going to struggle, should I say, to film everything. But we'll start off and see how we get on. This is pre-60s, so we're going to go in age order here. Couple of Moggies. And a Wolseley 1500. A pair of them, in fact. Very nice. The original Rover 75. Not like the more modern one. Stunning Mini here. Wow.
Congratulations, sir. Again, it looks very familiar if you've not seen that.
Early Mini Minor. Lovely. Really nice. Wow. Look at this. Absolutely stunning, this. And huge. The size of that engine. Beautiful Rolls Royce. Absolutely stunning, that. Lovely E-Type. Lovely E-Type. And they get a pair of them. Seems to be a theme going on here. You can get them in pairs. Talking of which, another Rolls Royce. Absolutely lovely. Frisky Sport. So cute. GTC from 1947. Hopefully with a information board. Much later car, 1.9 GTI from about 89.90. 205, of course. And this lovely little Austin. Fantastic big turnout, this. So I think everybody's surprised by the good weather for this time of year for England. Little Riley Elf. A friend of mine had one of these as his first car at 17. It was burgundy in colour, called Rose. Shout out to you, Jim. Highly modified Ford Pop and a highly restored Ford Pop. Both equally nice, but I'd probably go for that Speed Trial Special. Morgan, it's quite a rarity. Vanguard pickup. It's cool. Lovely looking Morris 8. Very nice. Highly modified Angler. Very nice. Hot rod. Cortina 1600E. Somewhat dwarfed by this massive Plymouth next to it. A variety of MJs from various eras. Very nice. But the real reason I came over here was this thing. Look at this Chevrolet. Wow. I wanted an estate car. It don't come much bigger than that. This estate is fantastic. And we got a slammed something. I'm not sure what that is. This is where we are. Thoresby Park. More Moggies. Moggies. Always good to see. As it's a moving Mexico. RS2000. And again, some beautiful Cortinas, including this one. Lotus Cortina. That is for sale. Nice. Mini Minor Mark 1. Very nice. 1961 Gogomobile. That's a rarity. Lovely Elan. Looks well in yellow, doesn't it? Another Wolseley. MGC, because of the bulge in the bonnet, I think. Dame the Dart. And much earlier bus. Very nice patina. And a lovely coloured E-Type next to it. Oh, so many lovely cars here. It's a pretty bright Escort. And another Lotus Cortina. And another E. These were the daddy in the day, of course. I mean, obviously Lotus Cortina, but for the average bloke in the street, the sort of the E was the one that was achievable. Mark 14 Capri, 1600 GT. Wow, love the colour. Beautiful.
Just looks like.
Sunbeam Rapier.
Is that the reason why?
Another very sharp looking moggy.
Not really.
That really stands out. I don't know if it's doing justice on the camera, but that's lovely though. As is indeed this MGB GT. Very sharp. 2000 TC P6.